Hello my dear friends, I just came home, received the parcel, and here should be what Jeremy wanted, minimum 1.2k worth of fragrances. But of course I didn't pay 1.2k, I paid about 360-70, and here should be day for woman, night for woman, and movie night scented candle, 349 pounds down from 557. So oh my god, what a good offer. And these two fragrances are of course for my wife because she really wanted to try these scents. And also here should be most masculine, and for most masculine Jeremy wanted 559 pounds. And I'm that type of a person which I hate no one, so I don't hate Jeremy fragrance, I hate actually no one, and I don't hate any fragrance. I used to hate back in the day so many fragrances like Paco Rabanne Invictus, and later I realized Paco Rabanne Invictus is just a great compliment getter, especially from the woman's side. And also I realized if I hate something, actually the hate is going to affect in the first place myself. And of course, I'm trying every day to be hate free. And this is an amazing thing. So here should be black tie, bundle for her, and most masculine. Let's unbox it and hopefully it's going to be nice. So this is the black tie, this is the movie night scented candle, this is the most masculine, and here 50 ml of date for woman, and it survived, and 50 ml of night for woman. I have here also the packaging slip. So Jeremy Fragrance didn't send this. So I wouldn't take my wife's joy to open these fragrances. I really want her to open it because, you know, it's a feeling when you just open a fragrance, you don't know the scent, you know. And this kind of blind buy has a magic, and this is the magic, you know, when you open something, you are excited and you cannot wait for the fragrance to see how it smells. So the thing is, this bottle has this long sprayer, and I'm not a big fan of it so far, but this is strong vintage vibe all the way through so far. Vintage vibe all the way through, and it's reminding me a bit of a fragrance which I quite like it, and so far has couple of vibes from Aramis. So it has this vintage vibe in the opening. It's woody, a bit animalic. I was expecting, you know, something like more bad smelling, because people on Fragrantica said this one smells awful and it's a totally mess, and it's strong, it's woody but wood, you know, like ombre nomad, or but no, this is so far well crafted. It's masculine, it has vintage vibes. Yes, this is masculine, you know, this is woody, masculine with a touch of vintage vibe, like in a 70s, 80s, masculine. And also this fragrance is not for everyone. This fragrance is for a grown-up person, this fragrance is for a mature person. Also this fragrance is for a kind of rugged, you know, man. and this fragrance, the asking price was 500, over 500 pounds, no way. And now this is the black tie. Black tie is a fragrance which I wanted from a very long time ago, but the price was quite high. I don't know why the bottle, you know, I'm trying to take it like that, but actually it's other way around. So Jeremy, come on, put the bottle in the right place, because I just want to open it like that for my legends. Yeah, so this is the black tie. And in this case, as we can see, there is a difference. I like more this short cap than the long one. You know, it's a matter of personal preference. And now let's spray the black tie. This is also animalic, rubbery, rubber scent kind of, you know, feeling. Now it's a bit sweet. I can smell right now some citruses, maybe some kind of mandarin, this kind of feeling, zesty. This is also not bad. Yeah, so this, the most masculine, definitely has these vintage vibes. So it's a strange combination here. Fruits with kind of rubber smell. Yes, so this one reminded me straight away of, you know, these vintage vibes, Aramis, but not that flowery, you know. Being honest with you, I cannot wait to test the performance of this and the reactions in real life. And definitely, when I'm feeling bold, I'll go with this one, you know, because I was thinking I don't have too many bold fragrances in my collection. So if you like these vintage vibes, you know, Aramis, this kind of vintage vibes like in the 70s, 80s, definitely you're gonna love most masculine, you know. But I wouldn't pay 550 or whatever. So yes, really happy for my purchases. And as I said, I don't hate Jeremy fragrance. I hate no one, and it's quite nice to live, you know, hate free. Thank you very much for watching, guys. As I said, I'm looking forward to test this in the real life. Until next time, take care of you. Bye bye.